Peace be upon you, followers of the Did You Know channel. Siri technology is considered a giant leap in computer technology, and it is one of the features of the mysterious iPhone that always surprises us with new technologies. Some of them you won't be able to discover easily, so every user of this phone should share the secrets they've discovered with others. Here are 10 iPhone technologies that are well known on the internet. 10th. Did Siri recognize your family? Siri is a treasure full of surprises when it comes to talking with the user, and it is equipped with a huge amount of information. For example, if you ask her to open the spaceship doors, just like they asked the computer, heuristically programmed algorithmic computer in the movie 2001, A Space Odyssey, she will answer that she can't do that, just like the computer in the movie. To try it, all you have to do is say the following sentence: open the pod bay doors. But away from movies, you can use Siri for more practical things. For example, to introduce your family to her, all you have to do is say, "So-and-so is my brother," or "So-and-so is my aunt." She will remember them and call them or send them a text message when you ask, and she can also track them for you using a map that appears on the screen. 9th, the medical app. Let's suppose you fell and broke your leg, God forbid. And when the doctor arrived, you couldn't remember which painkiller you are allergic to. This app's function is to display such emergency information to the medical staff, even if you can't move your hands, and search for the app on your phone. If you activate the feature to work in lock screen mode, the app will run and allow anyone to see that information without unlocking the screen. 8th, the vibration mode. We've all attended important appointments and set our phones to vibration mode. This way we can feel a call, a message, or a notification and check it later after the appointment is over. But if you're waiting for a call from an important client and don't want to miss it, you can choose a different vibration for each contact. All you have to do is go to Settings, then Sound Settings. Then, go to Add a new vibration mode. The user can choose the vibration they want by creating a new pattern. For instance, set 4 short vibrations for the important client and 1 long vibration for your annoying friend. 7th, sending. Android device users also suffer from this problem. Sometimes you enter a certain area and find that your phone switches to emergency mode only, so the user starts looking up at the sky to find the nearest place with a good signal. But if you have an iPhone, type the following code: *301#, 1234 5#*, and you will see the signal strength very accurately, as well as a map of places with strong signal. 6th, going back. One of the differences we notice between Android devices and the iPhone is the absence of the back button on the latter. Don't worry, the phone's designers considered everything. If you're in the browser or in Messages, all you have to do is swipe your finger from right to left, just like in the Tinder app, and you'll go back to your previous place or to the previous page in the browser. 5th, automatic message deletion. Let's say you have a wife who likes to post your clips that you send her on Facebook, causing you embarrassment in front of your parents and friends. Don't worry, just set your messages to the automatic deletion feature in the voice message settings. You can choose the duration after which the messages will be deleted, 2 or 3 minutes. For example, this will give your wife enough time to see the clip and laugh at it without being able to post it. 4th, fast charging. If you're one of those people who can't keep up with technology and you still own the iPhone 6, there's no doubt your phone doesn't stay charged for long compared to a new phone with a new battery. Don't worry. There's a method that experts have found effective for quickly charging your old phone that you can't replace. Remove the cover that absorbs the battery's heat. And use the iPad charger instead of your regular charger. Then put the phone on airplane mode. You'll notice it charges up quickly in a short time. 3rd, hiding your identity. There are some codes specific to each phone. For example, the code *#06. Hash shows the phone's serial number, which is similar to an IP address on a computer, but for those who like privacy. You can prevent your identity and number from showing when you call someone by dialing the code #31#, then adding the person's number. Be sure that no information about you will appear to them. Second, responding to an unwanted call. If you want a polite way to ignore calls, you can write short messages and save them so you can quickly send them as an excuse for not answering the call. All you have to do is go to your phone settings, then to reply with message, and write a set of excuses. But remember to be polite and use a good manner. First, trick Siri. On the iPhone 7, there's a problem that prevents you from choosing both night mode and power saving mode at the same time, but some people have discovered a trick that lets you do that. Choose power saving mode and ask Siri to turn on night mode. She'll tell you that you need to turn off power saving mode and she'll ask if you agree. Say yes, then quickly press the screen lock button. When you come back, you'll find that both modes are running at the same time. That way, you've tricked Siri, tricked the iPhone, tricked Apple, and tricked the whole world. If you like this video from our channel, Did You Know? Don't forget to like and subscribe. All rights reserved to the channel, Did You Know?